Hey guys, my name is Adi Agarwal and today in this video I am going to unbox the Macbook Air 2017. So let's get started. Here is a quick overview of the box. On the top there is nothing more than the design of a laptop from its left side. On the sides it's written Macbook Air. On the other side it's an Apple logo. On the back it mentions all the details regarding the product. The MRP of this product, as you could see, is 77,200 rupees. This is the Macbook Air 13-inch. So now let's unbox this Macbook Air 13-inch. So now let's unbox this. I'm taking off the lid of the box. And here is the MacBook itself. Let's keep it aside for a moment and see what else is in the box. First comes, here is a booklet designed by Apple. Let's see what's inside this. Just a quick starter guide and Apple info and old Apple stickers. Now let's keep it back and see what else is inside the box. Here is the charger of the Mac. This is a 45 watt charger of the Macbook Air to MagSafe connector 2.0. Now let's keep this aside. This is the extension cable for the charger. If you want to extend the wire of the charger, you can just simply plug this part inside the MacBook charger and the wire will extend. And if you don't want to use it, simply just plug in your point like this and it will work directly into your socket and charge your MacBook. So we do not get anything else in the box, that's all. So now let's take a closer look to the MacBook. It's a MacBook nicely packed into a plastic sheet. Let's peel this off and take the MacBook out. Very nice build quality. It's a solid build laptop which you could get in this price range. Now let's open this. A sheet for keeping the keypad and the screen safe. Now let's just power on our Mac. Here is a quick overview of the Macbook Air 2017. I've just set it up the MacBook Air and now I'm going to power it on. It shows up the Apple logo. And it's on. Let me just open it up. Here is a quick unboxing of the Macbook Air. Hey guys, so this is all for today's video. I bought this MacBook Air from the Chroma store for around 53,000 after the 10,000 rupees cashback which I got from HDFC card. So stay tuned to my channel for its full review after 1 month of usage. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.